video of our men working diligently to repair a sand transfer plant from the date about the last 10 days back from the 9th to the 19th of February. I think they actually finished last Sunday. Anyway, this is a video of some of the work that they did to get our transfer plant back working again. Along with getting our transfer plant working again, that'll probably take a couple weeks to get the sand that's already backlogged and washing into the channel removed. One of the things one will want to note in this video is the lighter water up closer to the sand pump is only lighter because of the sand and debris that is washing to the south. Take a special note as the camera sweeps out here. See the lighter color as we get closer to shore? That's sand and debris washing to the south. One of the questions I would have would be, one has a dredging unit a mile and a half away from the inlet working. What really good does that do to keep the channel? There's the dredging unit working, and it's transferring sand to Palm Beach from the north side of the inlet. However, it's not really keeping the channel open because the sand is washing up here close to the sand plant.